Okay, so the next question is, what mission statement will you have?
Um, our mission statement is not different from LEI. It's almost the same. Yeah, teach reading and writing so that adults can be able to read the Bible and understand it. In fact, the basic thing. And so, um, make sure that those who are not literate in Ghana will become literate through our ministry. Yeah, so that, and of course, allied ministries like that. I mean, people who, because there are other organizations in Ghana who are also doing literacy. Yeah.
No. So that's another good exercise to do as a team. If you don't have a mission statement, but you want to start a literacy program or a literacy ministry, get together with people in the team and
Yeah.
talk about what do we really want to
Achieve.
verbalize as our mission statement, and that guides the process.